Hey little monsters, so I'm starting off my work lunch week today with one of my meal preps that I had made. This is a shortcut that I got from Trader Joe's. These are the beef kebabs that they have in the freezer. So this is actually just one of the kebabs, and I put it in a pan. I heated it up a little bit, and then I actually put it over a bed of lettuce, tomato, red onion. I wanted cucumbers, but I didn't have any left, so I have some, so I'm missing that, but I would definitely add that to that. I have these little mini naans here, and then I also have a cup of tzatziki sauce to go with that. That is going to be my lunch, and then I also just have a snack. I just have like a little cup of apple slices here, so I have that there, and then I'm just going to bring a cup of peanut butter to dip with that. I have a can of LaCroix lemon flavor water today, a little baby thermos of water, and then a larger one that I'm going to refill throughout the day, and that's what I'm bringing to work. Hey guys, so for work lunch today, I'm bringing two I feel super healthy meals. I have here for lunch a bento box. So this is one of my glass meal prep containers that I got off of Amazon. I love the extra compartments in here. So I have here a hard-boiled egg, some pretzel chips, a cup of hummus, and then I have some carrots, some cucumbers to kind of eat with these three. Then I have some blackberries and some a clementine that I peeled up. So that is for lunch. Then for my dinner, I'm gonna use my Caperci salad chill. So this container has the multi-levels, if you guys have seen them before. And the first level, it has the toppings. I'm gonna actually skip that first. Second level is an ice pack that keeps the salad cold. And then I have just the salad base itself. So I have some romaine lettuce, some chicken, and then this is like the prepped chicken that I got in the refrigerator at Costco. So I like just getting that out and just cut it up and it's ready to go for a salad. I added some salami slices here. And then for the toppings, I just have some feta cheese, a hard-boiled egg, tomatoes and cucumbers. And then in here, I just have some ranch dressing. So that is what I'm bringing as far as the main meals go. And then I have, just for a dessert, I just have this new Magnolia Bakery cookie that I found. So this is a banana pudding cookie, confetti flavor, and that's what I'm bringing for my dessert. I just have a thermos of water. I threw it in an orange slice, and then I have just a larger thermos of water that I'll be refilling throughout the day, and that's what I'm bringing to work today. Hey guys, so I am at the end of my work week today. I have a really long work shift, so I'm going to start off with some breakfast. I have my ball container here. I have a yogurt parfait. I have some strawberries at the bottom, some vanilla Greek yogurt, and then another layer of strawberries, and then I topped it off with some peanut butter granola. So that's what I have for breakfast. For lunch, I'm using my Bento glass salad container. This is like the all-in-one container, but I don't use this very often. It's on the heavier side, but it actually is really, really good quality. So I like that it has like these two large snaps here, and then it has this first layer where you can keep things separate. So today I'm going with, let me show you the bottom part. So I have a rice bowl today. This is a taco rice bowl. So I have cilantro lime rice at the bottom, I have some black beans, and then I have some taco meat on the top. And this is what I actually meal prep for the week, but one of the containers I used was this one because I wanted to keep these toppings on the side. So I have here just some shredded cheese, some tomatoes, and some lettuce, and inside this container I added just some guac. And what I'll do is I'll heat the bottom portion up, and then once that's done, I'll mix in these toppings in, and then I'll eat it all together. So that is what I have for lunch. And then for dinner, I just have a smaller container. This is my Snapper glass container. And then I just had made a sausage ziti bake. So I made a casserole, and then I just divided them up into individual containers for meal prep this week. So I just love that these are all ready to go grab and go in the fridge. So that's going to be my dinner. And then I just have my drinks. So I just have LaCroix lemon flavor today. I have my little bottle of water, and then I have my larger thermos that I'm going to be refilling throughout the day. That is what I'm bringing. That concludes this week of my meals. If you guys like these videos, please subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, and YouTube Shorts if you want some more ideas. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monster-rific week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.